In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your Shopify store efficiently. Whether you're setting up your store from scratch or looking to give it a fresh, personalized touch, understanding these steps will help you take full control of your Shopify site. To begin, let's head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you'll want to select My Store from the home screen. This is your launch point where you can start making all the creative changes you'll need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site's appearance. Once you're in the store's main area, look for the Themes section. You'll see an option labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you get to have fun with your store's aesthetics. Customizing your theme is crucial because it sets the tone for your brand and is one of the first things a customer notices when they visit your site. Next, we'll focus on creating a distinct and attractive header for your online store. In the theme editor, there's a section called Header. Click on it, and you'll be able to adjust various settings to ensure your header reflects your brand's identity. The header is vital because it often contains your logo, navigation menu, and possibly a search bar, all of which are essential for customer experience and usability. From there, move on to the Template section in your theme editor. Clicking on this will allow you to modify the layout and look of different pages within your store. Templates can dictate how your product pages, collections, and other important areas appear, so spend some time exploring the different templates available to find what suits your brand best. The aim here is to provide a seamless and cohesive browsing experience for your customers. As we move along, don't forget the Footer section. It's just as important as the header and can house links to necessary information and policies, ensuring customers can easily find what they need. Click on Footer in the theme editor and tweak it to your preference. Now direct your attention towards the small gear icon you'll see on the page. Clicking on this icon brings up a variety of additional settings which can allow you to fine-tune the finer aspects of your theme. It's all about those little details that can make a big difference. Finally, explore the App Embed section. Clicking here opens up possibilities for app integrations that can enhance your store's functionality without any coding knowledge. This is particularly useful for adding extra features or services to your store, such as live chat or product review forms, which can significantly enhance the shopping experience. And there you have it, a guided walkthrough to help you maneuver and personalize your Shopify store to better reflect your brand and engage your customers. Be sure to save your changes as you go along. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!